Professional builders don't know what it's like to procrastinate. Watch them build a roof faster than you can blink. No harvester can beat this worker's sense of rhythm. And this operator has taken excavator work to a whole new level. Another example of efficient teamwork. The old window frame helps them decorate the concrete surface. The way this worker shares a llama is just so incredibly satisfying. I bet you can't blink before this chef perfectly cuts a whole avocado for sushi. Cutting servings of salad just as quickly. This hedge trimmer knows how to make his work nice and fascinating. This woman has the most unusual way of painting dishes. Did you ever think that watching thread being cut could be so calming? It is unbelievable. How did he make such a wonderful drawing on clay? Take a look at this thorough pool cleaning. This time the sound engineer was ready for the confetti. Such finishing touch makes the whole thing look twice as beautiful. Can you look away from this cement being leveled? Look, his speed is unbelievable. Folks, here is your gold medal winning team in the roofing Olympics. This craftsman seems to be enjoying his job, throwing with precision. This road worker has the skills to make any pothole disappear with some gravel. This craftswoman doesn't just lay concrete, she creates a three-dimensional copy of the mown, and with the right lighting, her creation is indistinguishable from the real thing. You won't believe how these people decided to move an entire barn. Synchronized manpower, that's how. And just like that, a new barn is built in just 8 hours. Moving your location with a ladder can save considerable time. Finally got the work smarter, not harder quote. The roller cuts the asphalt neatly. Good teamwork always allows this team to receive high appreciation. This waterproof membrane prevents your floor from being wet. Every boss definitely wants to hire such a smart worker. The skillfulness always makes them the best team. Watch these highly skilled workers drain water with just a pipe. Painter's tape is used to create the illusion of a real brick wall. How a construction expert nails with just one slide. Using tape to make concrete smoother. To ensure that the marble tiles are fastened, the cement is spread equally.